Eh bah écoutez, on y va. C'est tout bon pour vous, c'est tout bon pour moi. On y va. On se commence l'aventure.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad.
Ok, it's my dad.
What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just, when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than you feel comfortable admitting, which...
Je vais interagir avec la souris et les touches, c'est de la merde.
Wasn't around much.
Well, you're gonna see him even less now.
Merci pour les ripostes, Nodify, tu régales. Merci beaucoup, mon frérot.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You know, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you you loser.
See, this is more
Eh,
like
ça censure bien là au
I
moins.
hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he spanks your little daddy as you to death, you hear me? Are we outside?
windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
live.
smells like outside smells. Wait,
Hey,
wait,
I
wait!
have neighbors. Use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay, okay. Steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks, okay?
You sure about that?
Yes, please. That's all I know.
Stop screaming.
Help! Help!
Hey, 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 I will pull you up if you quiet the down.
Help!
Vas-y, je le remonte, allez.
Honestly,
Allez.
it was nice talking to someone about this stuff. I guess what I'm saying is, I'm really glad I kidnapped you tonight.
J'ai pas compris. Les gars. Ah, faut juste appuyer une fois, ok. Je pensais qu'il fallait rester appuyé. Ok, c'est dans ce sens-là le mode interactif. Ah, ok, ouais. Ouais, en fait, ça se trouve, si on avait laissé juste en cinématique, ça aurait peut-être été pas mal, je pense. Oh, le nulos, ça y est. Ça y est, ça y est. Commencez pas, là. Putain, l'animation, elle est clean de fou. Elle est belle, l'animation. Par contre, je commence à avoir un... Par contre, j'ai un peu chaud, là. Je sais pas s'il y a du gameplay, mais imagine si c'est des cinématiques tout le long et que tu fais rien. Ah, ouais. Après, il y a des moments où ça parle, donc... Parce que moi, derrière le gameplay, c'est en gros, c'est un peu un point and click. Avec de la stratégie. En gros, c'est ça, quoi. Ok, en vrai, non, en vrai, c'est stylé. En vrai, on va laisser interactif. En vrai, c'est pas mal. Ça rajoute un truc en plus, en vrai, j'avoue. Non, en vrai, non, je crois pas. Il y a des phases comme ça, avec des QTE, et il y a la phase où on doit gérer l'équipe, en gros. Oh là là. Oh là 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 là. Bam! Magnifique, Robert. Ça me fait des rires pour vous qu'il s'appelle Robert. Ça me fait penser à Invincible. Ouais. Je crois que c'est ce que disait Kudo hier, ou il y en a un qui l'a dit hier, je me rappelle plus, mais oui, ça fait penser un peu à Invincible. Ok. Oh, oh waouh. Ah, parce que le problème, c'est qu'en fait,
Time to finish.
je vais me mettre en QWERTY. Voilà. Parce que le problème, c'est que du coup, le jeu, c'est les touches W, machin et tout, et je peux pas. Ok. Propre, hein. Magnifique. Putain, je suis con, j'ai confondu le haut et le bas, je suis bête.
Alright, next one.
C'est un hacker. En vrai, stylé, hein. Ah. Ah. Ok. J'ai capté. Magnifique.
Just one more. Alright, got it.
Guide l'avatar vers le bas pour terminer l'infiltration. Ok. Elle est propre. Oh, franchement, non, franchement, c'est propre. J'ai l'impression qu'on regarde un animé en fait. C'est fou. En vrai, c'est un peu ça, hein.
Hey, can I get a copy of that video when we're through here? Cause it's over, Shroud. And it would be nice to watch that back at a different angle.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's over, Shroud.
All this build up, face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame
Ugh, where the f is Shroud?
He'll be here in a bit. Oh, hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad.
Aïe.
Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated. Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So, after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely he was and just himself like a little. It was like so much.
Prends ton meilleur coup de pied, mon gars.
So
Hey.
just kept.
I get it.
Waouh. Comment je l'ai envoyé valdinguer. Allez, oust. Du balai. Je suis un héros. Pas un tueur. Putain, il est résistant de fou, hein.
Can we just skip to the part where you reveal your bull superpower so we can fight for real?
Oh. Ah. J'ai vu un big carré noir sur l'écran.
Cool. So you got some kind of clever supervillain name?
You can call me toxic.
Bruh. That works on so many levels for you.
Yeah, no.
Bon, on a bien fait de mettre la censure, hein, je pense.
Shroud's augments are pretty good when normies like you use them. But when you put them on someone who already has powers, and chef's kiss.
Oh putain. Je te jure, là, ça bip 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 depuis le début, là. Mais je préfère ne pas prendre de risques. En vrai, c'est pas ce qui va nous empêcher de profiter de l'histoire, en vrai. Putain, faut quand même être réactif, hein, quand même. Franchement.
Figures.
Oh, oh l'électricité. Mais pourquoi forcément faut qu'il ait la beuteuse à l'air, lui, là? Je comprends pas, là. Donc en fait, nous, on joue un mec qui a pas de pouvoir, en gros. Il a pas, ouais, il a pas de pouvoir, en gros. Il a un putain de robot. Par contre, il sait très bien se défendre. Ça a l'air d'être un putain de hacker. Mais ouais, il a pas forcément de pouvoir, quoi. Ah, attendez, dans les scènes d'action, c'est un peu compliqué pour moi de lire le chat, j'avoue. Hop là. Aïe 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 aïe. Ah merde. Ouais, déjà que c'est nécessaire de censurer. Tu penses que ça va être strike? Je sais pas. Parce que les insultes ça passe. Bah en fait ça dépend ce qu'ils disent, tu vois. Ça peut dépendre de ce qu'ils disent. Je pense que s'ils le mettent, c'est peut-être pas pour rien. Ouah, je suis en train de. Il est en train de se faire déglinguer. Ok, j'ai mis le bouclier, c'est bon. Ouais, surtout que TikTok ils aiment pas trop les gros. Ouais, c'est plus pour ça en fait. Sur Twitch, tu es en live en plus 18, tu peux être plus permissif. Ouais, en soi, Twitch, y'a pas trop de soucis, c'est plutôt TikTok en vrai.
I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about this thing. Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astro Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
System check. Calculate the damage per second hit each.
Là, il est dans la merde là par contre. Hein.
Seconds I need to divert astral pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey, Boss Man says if you're planning on diverting
Avec son carré noir, lui, ça me.
pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so talkative earlier.
Je l'ai ignoré, je l'ignore. Je l'ignore.
Says you're not calculating that shit. Not your leg, Doc. Hey, great. All go to plan. Now get out of there, babe. Come on.
Ah, vous entendez pas assez le son du jeu? Dites-moi comment c'est. C'est mieux ou pas?
Status.
Pulse status stable. Foreign device detected.
Légèrement plus. Là, vous me dites.
Warning.
C'est mieux?
Warning.
Ah merde. Oh le pauvre. Ah, format TikTok? Ouais, l'intro était folle, hein.
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our newsroom, showing what many thought to be
Oh wow.
the death of Mecha Man. Again. For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles. Built by an ordinary civilian
Ah, c'était nul que ça se
with
finisse
no
comme ça.
superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime. 3 generations of pilots.
C'est mieux du coup le son là ou pas là?
Have given everything to protect this community, including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a star-studded superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of peace in the Southland.
C'est un peu mieux, oui.
Loyal service, tragedy struck again.
Ok.
When Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood.
Ok, donc son
But
père
yet
c'était
again,
l'ancien.
as
Ok.
hope was lost, a third generation of Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man for the modern era. A bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area. Until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Can you repair your
What's next
suit?
for Mecha Man?
Does this mean your career is
How
over?
badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily, do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils, a lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
Everything I've done, every sacrifice me and my family have made has been for the people of Los Angeles. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
You 100 years old? Why are you talking like
Finito
that?
Pipo,
Answer the
non mais
question, buddy
wesh,
boy.
le traducteur.
Are
hein.
you retiring? My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's get it on the record.
Look, I'm not retiring. Not yet, at least.
Any idea what you can do without the Mecha Man suit?
Not yet. All right, just one more, please. I gotta get back to, just one more. Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley.
Ah, c'est compliqué, hein. Je sais pas si c'est vraiment lui.
So,
Hein.
Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
Ah, pendant des mois, ok.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you? You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right, you're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question. Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How disappointed would your dad be if he were here right now?
Mais je vais l'enclencher le journaliste là.
Your father, your grandfather. They must be rolling over in their graves.
I think he'd be proud, because I'm alive. Which, as you so sensitively pointed out, he isn't. I think he knows that I sacrificed everything
Bah
and
ouais.
that I did my best.
C'est un malade le journaliste là, c'est un
Being
fou
Mecha
lui.
Man, protecting my community, was the greatest honor I'll ever have. Now I have to live knowing that. Thank you for coming.
Il abuse le journaliste là. Vraiment, c'était la question pour me faire péter un câble ça. hein.
Is Mecha Man a mecha quitter?
Je te jure.
Yeah,
Pas
I
capable
mean,
de, ouais,
seems
pas capable de
like
faire
he'd
mieux
better
pourtant.
be
Si je
dying.
l'attaquais, il aurait.
Like a coward, you know? What kind of example is he setting? Stay tuned to find out.
Wesh. Il va renfiler le masque.
Hey,
Yeah.
Il sait se battre.
Put the TVs back and you
Il sait
can
se
leave.
battre, il sait se battre.
I won't say anything to the cops, and this doesn't need to escalate.
Hey, who are you calling a**holes? I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And
Il sait se battre, il sait se battre. Même avec un bras cassé, il saura se battre.
Hobo Ranger? Who the are you?
Right now, I'm someone with nothing to lose, which is probably bad news for you.
Well, with nothing you have, you're about to lose again.
Ah,
Whatever the
mon gars.
case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of f***ing Skittles idiots like you.
Pas mal.
Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which
Ah, coup de
hand
poing droit, son poing gauche il est cassé. Bien vu, encore. Allez mon gars. Aïe, 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 aïe. Oh là là.
What the?
Oh. Ah, je suis ébloui par... Waouh, je sais pas si c'est la beauté ou si c'est le lampadaire là.
Phew. Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch
Wow.
Network.
Hey.
Quel est stylé,
Hi.
ok, ok.
Yeah, I know who you are. You're like famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
Right, I don't think infamous is the same as famous, but...
Oh god, your arm.
Oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you done this before? Because maybe... Ow! Okay! Wow, that's okay. Thank you.
One of them is on that roof.
You look like you could use a drink.
Non, il a besoin de se reposer et de se faire soigner ses blessures. Nuance.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different colored?
On a bien fait de censurer, je pense.
Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Busy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
On va dire tu me mets au défi.
That feels like a challenge.
Tu...
No.
Ouais, c'est ça, ouais, fais pas genre, ouais.
It's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
Ok.
What a sad sentence.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did. Especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Ah.
Thank
Ok.
you.
Ok, ok. T'as le pauvre.
So, how did you afford all that? You must have spent hundreds of thousands.
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious? Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
Why did you do it?
You what?
Sacrifice everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Pour sauver les gens.
I was gonna say hardship, but...
Il a fait ça pour sauver les gens.
Came to mind, yeah.
Parce que c'est un homme
You
bon.
must be completely broke
Ah.
at this point.
J'aime aider mon prochain. Voilà.
I don't know. I guess I just like helping people.
So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should
Ouais,
probably
bah, c'est-
switch into water.
Good,
pense.
because I was hoping, after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
A proposition?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
Intriguant.
I have to say, Blazer.
Attendez, elle me
does
prend
sound
au
intriguing.
dépourvu là. Me
That's
prend au
actually-
dépourvu.
No.
Aïe 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 aïe.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth.
Ah.
That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from
Aïe
a
aïe
pint
aïe
glass?
aïe aïe
Actually, I
aïe.
usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be embarrassing. I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
J'ai l'impression, bon.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
C'est qui cherche
Alright, just so you know, I only turned around because someone yelled, not because I'm a or anything.
C'est qui ce bolos là?
This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool. Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious guy?
Bien dit, bien dit. Dis-lui, Robert.
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. I know it. You are sunglasses indoors at night guy. Your superpower is that you're able to let everyone know in the room that you're a bag, because you should literally never do that unless you're at the final table of the World Series of Poker.
Voilà, dis-lui, bonhomme.
Ah, you're still a loser.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
Ah ouais, c'est ça, ouais. T'as bien aimé la vanne sur lui, hein?
I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am Flambe. And you...
Wait, oh, I do remember you. You're that villain I busted up.
Not anymore, naked.
Ah,
Literally just said.
il a juste le seum, il est salé.
And you are not Mecha Man anymore.
J'aimerais lui lancer le verre d'eau comme ça.
You need to get the out of here.
On va lui lancer de l'eau pour éteindre le feu.
Do this
Voilà.
the easy way.
There. Easy way. You're gonna hit me now, right?
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Il est salé.
Holy shit.
Ah, le bolos.
What song is that?
Le mec il s'est mis KO tout seul.
It's whistling. Come on, we should get you to a hospital.
No, Coop. Guy needs a dentist. I've got it on ice. Should be able to reattach it.
Teeth don't work that way. You're thinking of fingers and you know what? Give it a shot.
Hey, Mecha, get the out of here.
I get it. Can you just tell Blazer I'm outside? Relax. I'm leaving.
C'est trop bien le héros. Je te jure, il était nul à... Le héros était pourri. C'est fou comme ça de... Tout ça parce que je suis pas un super héros, ça veut...
Hey,
Alors que j'ai
couldn't find you.
fait beaucoup pour la population.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would
Attendez, parce que là, en
put
fait, là,
those
il
words
faut que je joue
together.
mon meilleur coup. Il y a peut-être un coup
Why are
de
you
drague à
holding
jouer. Alors,
drinks?
écoutez,
Nightcap?
on va se mettre...
You're
voilà.
in trouble.
Actually, according to the
Je mets les
bartender,
lunettes,
that's exactly what you are.
pour essayer peut-être
What
de
happened
conclure
in
avec
there?
madame, on sait jamais.
I walk out and the bartender's the whole energy is awkward.
And I almost rolled the heck out of my ankle on the slippery floor.
Un type a trébuché, mais t'inquiète, c'est rien.
Yeah, it's crazy. This guy, he just fell down.
A guy fell down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Oh, elle veut directement qu'on s'envole tous les deux. Ok, ça va un peu vite entre nous, Aurore, mais soit, pas de problème. C'est mes lunettes de prouveur. Oh waouh. C'est magnifique, c'est beau là.
I actually thought you were taking us to sit on it.
Hmm? Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better, cause you can see it. And it looks like there's a couple up there already. So.
Ah, merci pour ton
I
aide,
really
Aurore.
appreciate
Merci
you coming
beaucoup.
to my
Merci
rescue back there. I still think I could have handled it, but all I'm trying to say is thanks. I should have just said that, but yeah, I'm still talking.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
Arrête, Aurore, arrête.
How do you know my name?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you.
J'avais même pas tilté.
But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third? 3 times this happened?
There was Grandpa Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert. Because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Okay,
family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Je suis ébloui là,
Just your
excusez-moi.
run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story.
En vrai,
Family
j'aime bien
tradition,
là, ça se.
if there is one.
J'aime bien un peu le rythme de l'histoire, franchement c'est propre.
Which I
Hein.
guess
J'aime
I
bien
don't
là.
have to worry about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet.
Oh, Aurore, arrête.
Remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
Excusez-moi Aurore, j'ai l'impression que ça va un petit peu vite entre nous quand même, je trouve.
We can work with this.
Oui, monsieur. Premier rendez-vous, premier bisou. Attendez, c'est beau là. Oh là là là. Absolute cinéma.
No, this.
Oh.
I'm sorry if I gave the wrong
Tu
impression.
peux pas me dire ça, tu m'as
It's
fait
my
du
fault.
rentre
I'm so
dedans
sorry,
depuis le
I
début.
misread that.
You didn't.
Non, t'as non, t'as rien de mal interprété,
But
Robert.
I
C'est elle qui a laissé sous-entendre que, d'accord. Moi, je pensais que c'est bon, il y avait
The
quelque
way
chose.
I went about things tonight. I'm
Ah,
sorry.
super.
It was all
Voilà.
a little loose.
Super.
A little unprofessional.
Unprofessional.
Double Vérise.
I'm not sure that applies to this.
I'm
But
actually here on official business.
Aïe 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 aïe.
Proposition I
En
mentioned.
tout cas, elle t'a fait oublier Cash Royale.
Royale.
C'est vrai qu'elle m'a fait oublier
Don't
Cash
worry
Royale
about
le
that.
temps de
It's fine.
quelques secondes. Mais apparemment, du coup, c'est pas réciproque.
Do you remember a superhero named
My bad.
Rockstar?
remember, of course. he's
J'ai
like
très
family.
vite enlevé les lunettes, hein. C'est
But I
bon.
haven't talked
J'ai
to
compris
him in a while.
qu'apparemment, c'était pas ce
What
qu'elle
about him?
voulait, donc.
I work with him at SDN.
It's okay.
He recommended you.
Ah,
Mentioned
allez.
that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's
Okay.
why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again.
Oh.
But this time with all
Intéressant
the
ça.
resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
My suit was totally destroyed.
Bah ouais.
I saw the report, studied the footage. It's not totally destroyed, just mostly. It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced. Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience, your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable. Share it, Robert.
Allez, je commence
You have
quand?
a
Je suis
lot
chaud.
left to give.
Je suis chaud bouillant.
So when do we get started? Wait, so you want me dispatching?
Pour toi, Aurore, je ferai tout.
What's that even mean?
Je sens qu'il
Oh,
peut quand même y avoir une
right.
petite connexion
I was
entre
gonna
nous,
test you
donc
at the bar. Here,
je tenterai ma chance quand même. Mais...
Drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
noted.
Entre ivrognes.
Am I
C'est vrai qu'elle
waiting,
a quand même
or
plus
are you
enquillé d'alcool que
waiting?
nous.
What's
Hein.
going
C'est
It
on?
was
faut dire.
supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Well, okay, there. Pop it on. This is part of the assessment.
Ok.
And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Greetings and welcome to this training simulation.
We may be superheroes.
Ah bah là on va
We're
rentrer dans
nothing
l'interface du
without
jeu du coup.
SDN's real hero.
Du coup il y aura des passages
The
comme ça et des
Dispatcher.
passages en mode
So,
cinématique.
Dispatcher,
En vrai c'est trop bien,
where
c'est
do
trop
we
cool.
start?
Franchement le jeu est vraiment stylé quoi.
Well, it appears we've got our
Okay.
first call from.
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
Ok.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send.
Vous recevez des instructions pour vous aider à choisir les héros appropriés.
Such an
Ok.
array of brave heroes to choose
Waouh.
from.
Ok, il y a des.
How
Ok.
could you possibly pick just
Phénoméman. Ok, pas mal.
This
Pom
graph
pom.
will show you what a hero does
Ok.
well
Ce graphique illustre les forces,
and
les
not
faiblesses
so
de chaque héros. Ok, donc il y a plusieurs caractéristiques. Du coup, il y a les combats, l'intelligence, le charisme, la mobilité et la vigueur. Ok.
A hero with a
Pour cette
knack
mission,
for
notre
fitness
héros doit être
and
vigoureux et
combat
bagarreur.
looks right for the job.
Ok, donc il faut. Ok, d'accord. Il faut attaquer la planque qui est super bien gardée, du coup. Et se défendre contre les tripes armées. Ok, oui, donc il faut un mec qui sait se battre et qui est. Ok.
That sounds like me.
Une mission
Phenomenal.
taillée pour
Now that
Phénoméman.
at least one hero is being
Ok.
dispatched, it's time
Maintenant
to
que la
get
mission
to
a été
work.
attribuée à un héros, passons à l'action. Ok.
I am on the way.
Ok, donc il y va. Donc il se passe l'action.
I will now return to SDN.
Ok, et ensuite il retourne du coup au. Putain, il l'a dit, le
When a hero returns to
SDH.
SDN,
Ok.
they'll need some
De retour au
much needed
SDH, les héros ont
R&R.
besoin de RER.
For rest and
Ok, de repos et relaxation. Ok.
Don't forget to
N'oubliez
review
pas d'évaluer
your
les
hero's
performances du héros, sinon il ne
performance.
pourra pas repartir en mission. Ok, d'accord.
On SDN's state-of-the-art
Le
graph,
graphique ultra
we can
moderne
see
du
an
SDH permet
analysis
d'analyser
of
les
what
compétences
skills the
requises
call
pour cette
requires.
mission. Donc attaquer la planque. Ok,
Let's
donc oui,
see
donc
how well I
attaquer
did
c'est
after
ça.
responding to
Et
that
ça c'est se
caller's-
défendre. Ok.
well,
Évaluons le résultat concernant cette
call.
mission. On évalue, on évalue, on évalue, on évalue.
There's no such thing as a perfect
Réfléchissez et
fit.
exploitez au mieux les atouts de votre
Use your
équipe.
intellect
Donc
and
attendez, ça veut dire que là en
to
gros là lui c'est le sien. Ah ok, oui d'accord, ok. En bas là on voit là, je sais pas si vous voyez ici du coup. En gros ça c'est
the
le
more
sien.
likely I am to succeed.
Plus mes compétences correspondent aux attentes de la mission, plus j'ai de chances de réussir. Ok. Donc lui on voit qu'il a quand même pas mal de force, il a pas mal de défense. De la mobilité quand même, mais ok, par contre il est un peu bête. Ok d'accord. Du coup c'est rentré dedans. Ok d'accord, ok. Il a réussi à 80%. Ok d'accord. Alors apparemment il y aurait une planque de méchants. Ok, donc enquêter sur la planque de méchants qui aurait été découverte à l'université. Interpréter les indices pour démasquer le mystérieux criminel. Donc là du coup on va dire que du coup c'est de l'intelligence qu'il faut. Et interpréter donc j'irais du charisme. Bah si c'est enquêter, moi j'aurais dit elle, la savante. On envoie la savante. Je pense que c'est celle qu'il nous faut. Oh là 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 là, mais regardez ça. Quoi? À faire claquer, vous foutez de ma gueule. J'étais dans ce qu'il fallait. Les deux c'était de l'intelligence. J'ai envoyé la meuf qui a le plus d'intelligence, c'est pas passé. Ah ou alors c'est pour montrer ce que ça fait quand tu réussis pas, c'est peut-être ça. Alors il faut les poursuivre, résister, vaincre et capturer. Bon mais ces deux là, il faut que ça soit là dans cette il faut les poursuivre aussi. On envoie juste ces deux là, je pense que ça va le faire. Alors la mobilité, donc la track des deux. On a de la marge là, on a de la marge, on est dedans, c'est tout bon, on a réussi. Il est trop bien, il est trop
Did
bien.
he just
il est
say
trop bien.
phenomenal? It felt pretty natural to me. And that it's natural for me to end up mid-tier.
Oh regarde
that
Jinx,
said,
Kokoro t'as fait un
first time it
super
feels
s'endort sur nous.
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of
Écoute Aurore,
well, why track stars
je sais que
thought
tu
of
viens de te caler sur mon
It makes
épaule.
sense, yeah.
Tout à l'heure, t'as plus ou moins accepté le bisou qu'il y a eu. Je pense que
Meet me at the SDN offices.
je pense que ça peut marcher entre nous, Aurore.
I'm not done saving you yet.
Aurore, tu sais comment tu peux me sauver, Aurore. Tu sais comment tu peux me sauver, Aurore.
Is there a ladder or...
Ah bah laissez-la. Vous savez ce qu'on dit? Quand on aime, on embête. Elle m'a laissé sur ce panneau publicitaire car elle voulait m'embêter.
Sorry I'm late.
Coco Magot, vous savez pas, vous. Je vois donc pour l'instant, Aurore, on aime bien. Ouais, on aime bien, Aurore, on aime bien. Bon chill à toi. Oh, lui donner des céréales. Oh, le petit chien, il est trop mignon. J'avais pas encore réalisé. T'as pris des siècles aussi. C'est vrai qu'il a fait plein de trucs à droite et à gauche, c'est vrai.
I met a nice lady. She wants to help us out.
Je la surveille. Non, ne vous inquiétez pas, Aurore, c'est... Ah. Fin du premier épisode? Non. S'il vous plaît. Non. Alors, 50% des joueurs et vous avez arrosé Flambeau avec de l'eau. Normal, hein, l'eau ça a éteint le feu, hein. Moi j'ai juste été logique dans ce que je faisais, hein. Oui, ben oui, excusez-moi, oui, j'ai décidé d'embrasser Aura, moi. Je sens que ça peut quand même bien se passer. 60% des joueurs et vous avez remonté le sbire. Oui. Votre taux de succès pendant le combat contre Toxic était de 100% comme 100% des joueurs. 53% des joueurs avaient répondu aux journalistes. Ouais. 41% des joueurs avaient surnommé Flambeau Monsieur Lunette à toute épreuve, ok. 1% des joueurs et vous avez réussi de justesse ce tutoriel. Mais les gars, arrêtez. Je fais partie des 1%. Je suis un peu unique, on va dire, en fait. Ou un énorme loser, c'est au choix.